In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to pay for ElevenLabs, an essential step for those looking to access their premium features. If you're new to this, don't worry. I'll guide you through each stage so you can successfully complete your payment setup in no time. First, you'll want to begin by opening your web browser. This is a simple but crucial step since we'll be navigating online. Your web browser is the window to all your online transactions, and it needs to be ready for you to access the ElevenLabs website. Next, in your browser, type in ElevenLabs and hit Enter. This will lead you to the ElevenLabs homepage. If you haven't logged in yet, go ahead and do so using your account credentials. If you're not sure of your login details, make sure to have those sorted out beforehand to avoid any hiccups during the process. Once you're successfully logged in, you'll find an option to upgrade your account. This is typically on your account dashboard or a similarly named section. Click on Upgrade, which will navigate you to the subscription management area. Look for Manage Subscription, and within that section, you should see a Subscribe option. Click on it. These steps will guide you toward the heart of the payment process, where you'll make your decision on which payment plan suits you best. Now, reaching the payment details page, you've come to the stage where you'll input your payment information. You have a couple of options here. You can enter your credit card information directly. Ensure that your card details are accurate and that the card you intend to use is active and ready for transactions. However, if you prefer using Google Pay, this platform offers the convenience of a pop-up. This will ask you if you'd like to proceed using the card details already saved in your Google Pay account. Remember, using a saved card can expedite the process significantly. Once you have either entered your credit card details or confirmed through Google Pay, you should see a confirmation of the transaction. Keep an eye out for any confirmation emails or messages from ElevenLabs, which can come in handy for future reference. That's it. You've made it through the payment process for ElevenLabs. Now, you're ready to explore all the enhanced features and tools they offer with your new subscription. By following these steps, you've taken a big leap towards unlocking the full potential of ElevenLabs, making your experience all the more enriching. Thanks for watching, and enjoy all that ElevenLabs has to offer.